Hello, welcome to another AQA Physics A-level question. If you want to try a different question from the series, click on the information card over here and that'll take you to the playlist for current electricity. If you want to try and answer this question yourself without listening to my explanation, pause the video now. If you got the answer B, well done. If you didn't, here's my explanation. So the circuit shows a cell with negligible internal resistance and it's connected in a circuit with three resistors, 1, 2, 3, an ammeter and a voltmeter. Which row shows the readings on the ammeter and the voltmeter? Well, the ammeter is the simplest one. The ammeter is going to read the current going through the first branch and the second branch, but there won't be any current through the first branch because a voltmeter has an infinite or almost infinite resistance. So the only current is the current going through that first branch. And we know that current is equal to potential difference over resistance. The potential difference is 1.5 volts. The total resistance in that branch is 20 ohms. So I'm going to get a current of 0.075 amps. So it's one of those two. What about the potential difference? Well, we just need to consider this first branch here. Potential difference is shared between components depending on in the ratio of their resistances. Well, the voltmeter has an infinite resistance. So the ratio of the voltmeter's resistance over the 20 ohms is practically infinite, in which case all the PD, all that 1.5 volts, will be across the voltmeter. So the voltmeter will read the 1.5 volts that's across it. So the answer is B. If you thought that was useful and you'd like to watch more, please subscribe to my channel, share the videos, press the like button, watch more of them in the series. Thank you.